Morning. All right, good morning, guys and gals. Hoping that you're having actually a pretty decent day. We're gonna take a look at here at NNDM with this drop right out of the gates. I'm watching CC GPS, also watching HA, and there are Sorrento, ACB dropping, and NVC, ATRA, AF, ANF, a couple of names here. I'm gonna keep on watch. 775 for a drop towards the 750 area though on GPS. Looking at that area right now. About a minute to the open. And we are live here. Resistance at 782, dropping to 770, 767, 150 simple moving average on the 5. $775 UAP, 775 UAP on GPS. Not really. Sorrento dropping. Not really a huge amount of volume on GPS. Where is okay. Drop in GPS. There's the 50 simple moving average on GPS around the daily as of right now, and then DM bouncing off of that sell-off. GPS keeps on dropping here. I think an NDM just got halted. On 750 area, bouncing off from the 750 area on GPS. You have 766. Expecting to retest GPS, probable retest of the view app and then reversal from that around that area though. Tapping candle on the 1 minute, spinning tap, testing that view app again, 766. A little bit of consolidation around 762, holding kind of tight, coming down again for a retest at 750. Possible retest at 750. You have a 765. You have a 765 on GPS. Holding this doji kind of strong around this consolidation though. Probably 1 minute candle 758. PHUN also halted. PHUN also halted. So looking at the bid right here, it took 10,000 shares at 761. 10,000 shares, 761 GPS, bouncing off right there. I stepped out though. Took a short at 761. There's a level of consolidation that I didn't like. I missed the first entry, 775 on the consolidation top here. On the first flush, I got in on the top candle here when it was coming down 761, looking for a retest under the 750. I stepped out because I noticed the consolidation was too strong. So I got out with a $20 loss. I managed that loss to be really kind of small, so that way I can, I'm not digging a hole. I noticed that the consolidation was not working out as I wanted to, so I decided that it will be better for me to step out. The consolidation didn't move as I wanted to, and so I stepped out. Okay, what you know, XY. Probably want to still look at an NDM. Gonna come down here, tapping count the 5 minutes. Tapping count the 5 minutes. OXY 50 simple moving average at 486. OXY having a little reversal from the tapping candle on the 5 minutes. Let's see if it really moves or holds. 479 here. Bid stack in a 1481. Bid stack in a 1481. VWAP sitting up 1475. Doji on the 5 still sitting strong there. 1477 low. $14.82 high of the prior candle. Hitting that there. Still having a little topping count on the 5 minute time frame. So indecisions here, indecision still getting support. Came right back up strong. LB OXY right back up strong. OXY. Sorrento dropping, ACB dropping fast. And here you have OXY. Close to $15. 15 minutes sitting at 14.98. $15 minutes sitting at 14.98. $14.98 high, 15-minute time frame. Topping count on the 5, but this topping count just started. 14.95, 14.98, high of 15-minute time frame. Coming down here, 14.93. Watching this area around 14.88. $14.93 prior of 1 minute time frame candle on OXY. You have 14.78 on OXY. OXY pretty strong there. Took a short on that one. The first short didn't work out. Got me out on topping candle here, and this one push lost 40 bucks. Took a second short here on this top coming down. Stepped out when it was holding around decent sized bid here around this 50 simple moving average, and just made $4. I mean $10. So I took $40 lost and made $10 back pretty much on that bounce here. Didn't work out, didn't flush down as I was expecting. Just stepped out and made $10 on that trade. I am noticing this morning that most of the stocks have a little bit of indecision, and that they have not had the follow through that was actually expecting. This bear flag pattern here that it seems like it's printing, look at the bounce here all the way to 93. You're talking about almost 10-cent bounce here on a small pennant. I mean on small flag formation. That it's not a great thing. If you look at the 5-minute candle here, this long wicks here show a lot of indecision. Yes, overall the stock can actually move afterwards and everything, but I'm not willing to take, you know, a huge how can I say it? I'm not willing to expose myself over what I have to, because the stocks are really not having that follow through as of right now that I will be expecting to see. I noticed that there's a lot of indecision here, and so that I don't like, right? So even now here, this is not really moving too great. See somebody selling big time right here at 1481. There's a big seller, 60,000 shares, been hit at 1482. Look at that. There was a 60,000 share seller sitting on the ass there. Well, these stocks are being quite something today. I'm noticing GPS, JetBlue, there's a bunch of different names that are just trading. Look at PHUN. With a bunch of different halts on the way up. So I'm noticing a lot of indecision here though. I don't know how you guys are doing there, but on my end though, shows a lot of indecision as of right now. There's a lot of whipsaw here. Not the kind of follow through that I most definitely like to see, and that is not great though. Moderna has some consolidation. This thing is dropping pretty fast now. The ones that bought on the pre-market hours on this flush, congratulations. See ALT here. Shooting star formation. Topping candle on the 5. I'm gonna chase a short that one there. ALT going strong. Wow, that's a pretty good move here. People are looking for sympathy plays here. You can see the lows 578 and low 580, 578 right here, bouncing off of that area there. That's a pretty decent move. Good job, Matt. Good job. I am today down with $50 as of right now. I made a little bit back. Some of my trades, but most of them didn't work out as I was expecting. The market today is being a little bit crazy. Seeing the stocks have many of them not have any kind of follow through though, and it hasn't been working out so well. This is nice reversal on ALT. Yeah, obviously I had no shares to short as I mentioned earlier. You have to be kidding me. Oh wow. All right. 12.16. That's the low of that candle there. 11.54 is what we have here. All right, so let's see. Let's see. Let it go towards the 12, I think. Needs to get under the 12.10. That was a quick flush though. And there you go. Follow through down towards the 12. Alright, it's bouncing off. I sent an order through and didn't get fill. So I had to cancel it. Now that I cancel it, I think we're gonna have some follow through down. 11.54 is the next leg. Another. We need to see a clear stop here. Has to give us something, a little bit of a stop on the way. Okay. Got a hammer on the 1 minute. No trading for me today. That's it. I'm done. Took a hit today, and I sent a couple of orders. Didn't get filled. Made a couple of mistakes, and I managed my trades. This bounce here got me on this bounce. I got filled on the way up on this hammer here on the 5 minutes, and I took a slap right there. So pretty bad day. Stepping off my computer. No more trading for me today. Took a hit more than what I wanted with all the commissions, 130 down. And let's see, all together with paying commissions, $170 down today, which is not like, I'm not gonna try to make it back. I'm not. All right. That's a hit, a bigger hit than what I was willing to take, and it might even come back around and work out. I'm not gonna chase it. The first thing I say, guys, is know when you have to get out of the market. If it's not your day, it's not your day. I came into the market today knowing that last night there was a lot of issues in my house. My son was throwing up the whole night. We couldn't sleep well, and I don't know. It wasn't my day today. $170 rent today. I'm not used to this type of day, okay? But if it's not working out, it's just not working out. So I took that loss right there. $80 loss on LB just now, plus 20 on GPS, and then 30 on OXY, and that put me $130 in the red, plus all of the commissions that I had to pay, right? So again, all together with commissions, 8 orders today, putting me minus $146 with everything, and $169.98 with all of the commissions and ECN fees. Not my day. Stepping back, guys. I'm gonna cut the stream. I don't want to be sitting here because that's gonna make me think of other opportunities, and I'm gonna try to take trades and all that kind of stuff, and I'm not gonna do that. Okay, so stepping away from my computer. Tomorrow's another day. I'm not gonna stress it out. I'll come back from today's loss, the day that no trade worked out for me. A couple of trades, very, very small. I think the problem that I did here was that I chased it, and here I could have sent that order through, and when I sent it, I didn't get the fill. Then on the way down, I didn't get the fill, and when I got the fill, finally, this thing started to print a hammer. So my mistake, shame on me. I chased it, right, and I took a loss today, erasing all of the gains that I had yesterday. And again, with all of the commissions, it's $169.90 something. $170 loss is way too big of a loss that I was willing not to take. So again, this is me telling you guys exactly what's going on and being transparent. Yeah, man. So pretty bad day, huh? It happens. Not every day is green. Missed that opportunity, and I chased it, and I missed it. Okay, so it is what it is. I'm gonna step away from the computer. No more trading for me today. I'm pretty quiet, relaxed. Really, it's just a couple of mistakes, things that didn't work out. Tomorrow's another day. I'll bounce right off of this thing, and it's not gonna be an issue. It's just that if I stay in the computer and I keep trying to see a way that I can, I mean, the mistake here, I think it was probably FOMO, because I saw it drop in so quickly that I wanted to make a quick scalp there. But if I would have stopped to get on a reversal, would have been a lot better than trying to short when it was going on the way down. Again, that was just that rookie mistake, maybe, because to be honest, I don't make this type of mistakes, but I just did, trying to catch the move when it was already a little overextended, though, right? So it was like trying to short already a $70 move. it's not the greatest of the ideas, right? Paying the price for it. I'm gonna go and just step away from the computer. I'm gonna eat something. I haven't eaten breakfast this morning yet, so I'm gonna eat something, walk around a little bit, just breathe and relax. And $170 is not such a big deal. I will bounce back from this stuff, but for now, if I stay in the computer, I'm gonna keep on seeing other opportunities and stuff, and the market is, look at this, let me show you. We haven't had so much follow through today, okay? And when you see things like this, really, you know that, you know, things are not really the great way. Like, for example, and a couple of the names here, this kind of stuff, like up and down, up and down, up and down. There's a bunch of whips all over the place, and yeah, it is what it is. It's just it didn't work out the way that I was expecting, right? So it's not something to cry about. Just make a couple of mistakes and I'll pay the price for it. So if I stay around the computer and just try to see other names and other opportunities, I might end up trying to get entries, and that will probably not be the best thing to do. So due to that, due to the fact that the trade, my trades haven't been great today, and that most of the names haven't been working out well, it will be a wise idea for me to just take a step back and just move away and say, you know what, it's fine. Tomorrow is another one. I'll come back and I'll do what I have to do. As a matter of fact, you know, I can take a couple of 1-2 hours now to try to go and clean up some of the sheets that he did what he did last night, right? Because it was like overnight and we just threw everything down to the basement and we haven't cleaned that up. So we didn't have a great night, but let me just use my head to do something else instead of just trying to force any of the trades that might not even work out too well. Okay, so that's my tip from me to you. Couple of bad mistakes, and it is what it is, right? But the market's like that, ups and downs. That's how it goes. So I will see you guys later, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. I'll be in Discord and we'll keep the conversation rolling right there. All right, so I'll see you guys in a little while. Take care, guys.